Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do first question of exercise 11.2. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 7 centimeter, angle B is 75 and AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So first of all you have to draw BC as 7 centimeter, which I have already done, you can see. Okay. Now at point B you have to draw an angle of 75 degrees. You are already aware about 75 degrees, how to construct that. Okay, first of all make 90 and from 90 and 60 you can draw arcs to construct it as 75 degrees. Okay, you can name this V and this would be X, you can see. Okay, now from BX cut a line segment BD which is equal to AB plus AC as 13 centimeter. So we need to extend this line so that we can draw this as 13 centimeters. So we can extend this line and now we can cut it at 13 centimeters. You can use compass to draw an arc. Okay, so now you can join, you can name this point as D and you can join CD. Now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line segment CD. So open your compass more than half. Now you can join these two arcs. This would be our point A. Now you can join AC. ABC is the required triangle. Okay, so now we'll be doing question number 2 of exercise 11.2. The statement of the question is construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 and AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. So first of all we need to draw this side BC 8 centimeter, which I have already done. Next is at point B we have to draw 45 degrees angle. We are already aware about how we can construct 45 degrees. Okay, so now we can name this ray as BX. Okay, so we can cut 3.5 centimeter, which is the difference of AB and AC. From point B, we can name this as D. Now join CD. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this CD. So you have to open your compass more than half. Draw arcs on both the sides. Now you have to join this is going to meet ray BX at point A. Now you can join this AC as well. Okay, so this ABC would be our required triangle. So now we are going to do question number 3, exercise 11.2. The statement of this question is construct a triangle PQR in which QR is 6 centimeters, angle Q is 60 degree, and PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. So first of all, we need to draw QR 6 centimeters. Okay, so at point Q we need to draw 60 degree angle. I have already drawn this arc, so we can draw a 60 degree angle here. Now we have to extend this to the backward, or you can say opposite side of the base. Okay, so from Q we have to draw 2 centimeters. We have to cut 2 centimeters. So from here you have to cut 2 centimeters downwards. We can name this as S. Okay, and we have to join SR. Now again, same way we have to construct a perpendicular bisector of RS. So open your compass more than half. Draw arcs. Now join them. This would be our point P. Now we have to join PR. So PQR would be our required triangle. So let's do question number 5 of exercise 11.2. The statement is construct a right-angled triangle whose base is 12 cm and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 cm. So first of all, we need to draw a base as 12 cm as it is already given. Now at point P we can draw a 90 degree angle that I have already done, and now we can name this as PS, which is 18 centimeter. Okay, so you have to cut this ray as 18 centimeter. Okay, now we will be joining this QS here it is. We have joined QS. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this QS. So you need to open this compass again more than half to draw perpendicular bisector, and you need to be very careful. Now join these arcs. Now this point is going to be R, okay, and we need to join RQ this PRQ is going to be the required triangle where base is 12 centimeter, angle P is 90 degree, and the sum of hypotenuse and this perpendicular is 18 centimeters.